Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will be making my version of Italian fritters. These fritters are normally prepared during Carnival in Italy. They taste like fried mini donuts, and the best part is that you don't need yeast for this recipe, nor do you have to wait for the Carnival season to prepare these delicious treats. So let me show you how quick and easy these are to make. For this recipe, you will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. In a medium mixing bowl, add the 4 eggs, 120 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar, 50 milliliters of milk, 50 milliliters of vegetable oil, lemon juice of half a lemon, but of course you could also use more if you want to, and about a half teaspoon of lemon zest. We are now going to mix this all together by using a fork, simply like this. Now we can add in the 3 teaspoons of baking powder and just give it a quick mix like so. Then finally, we are gradually going to add in our 300 grams of all-purpose flour. Just mix this until everything is well incorporated. So this is how the mixture should look like. In a medium pot, I'm now going to heat some vegetable oil. You can see if the oil is at the right temperature by dipping a wooden skewer into the oil, simply like so. When many bubbles begin to form around the skewer, it means that the oil has reached the perfect temperature. So now we can take our 2 teaspoons and form our fritters. Just scoop the mixture with 1 teaspoon and scrape the dough off with the other teaspoon, simply like this. Fry them on both sides until they turn golden brown and have become puffy, like so. Let your fritters drain well on a plate with a paper towel. After they have cooled down, you can now generously dust them with confectioner sugar. And that's it! Very easy, right? Look how great they turned out. Can you see that crispy outer layer and the soft cake-like interior? Just perfect. They taste the best when served fresh with a cup of coffee, of course. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. If you want more yummy recipes, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye!